Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama Muhammad Marvel dan ke ya iyalah guys, yang pada sakra rekomend di share teman-teman kalian. Kira-kira apa ya terjadi ya antaraannya ya?
So I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at my latest animation versus Minecraft. So this was a fun challenge, recreating a 3D world of Minecraft on a two-dimensional desktop. As all of my previous animations, this one was animated
Subscribe channelnya Aram
So I
Baker.
started by gathering the textures from the default
Vlognya banyak kali dah.
picked out the ones I would need, doubled their size, and then put them into Flash. I built the structures by starting with a grid of blocks.
Nah kalian dengarkan.
Blocks until I was done. And that's how I made the
Gila Bang Alam Baker ini ya.
trees. But then
Buatnya.
I discovered the Pixel Brush Tool plugin. That made my life so much easier because I could literally paint with Minecraft blocks. And that's how I was able to animate the giant cobblestone and obsidian stick figure. I recorded myself playing Minecraft and went through the footage frame by frame so I could accurately animate all the effects like the TNT explosion, the zombies dying, skeletons getting hit, creepers exploding, etc. The block breaking animation was accomplished by cutting up the texture into 3 different pieces and then animating 16 of them going in different directions frame by frame. And then for each type of block that got destroyed, I would replace the 3 pieces with 3 new pieces with a different texture. In order to make 3D characters using a 2D program, I had to cheat a little bit. So all the things that look 3D, like the zombies, the creepers, and the spinning cube at the beginning, are just an illusion. Adding diamond armor to every single frame would have taken me an additional month or 2 if I didn't hire some helpers to add it for me. They spent a combined 150 hours just on adding diamond armor. Each piece of the armor set was made to fit multiple angles. The most tedious scene was the skeleton scene. Every single arrow had to be accounted for.
Masih Bang.
The scene dragged on, the more arrows built up. So by the end, when the creeper blows them up, each of the 100 arrows had to be animated to fly in a slightly different direction and land in a slightly different place. So this animation took over 800 hours, even longer than the 738 hours that it took to make Animator vs. Animation 4, and not including the 150 hours spent by my diamond armor helpers. I never expected it to take this long, and for the next animation, I hope to put a lot less food on my plate so I can get it done much more quickly. So thanks for watching, and if this kind of stuff is interesting to you, then you can come check out my tutorial channel here. And if you want to help me get these animations done more quickly, please visit my Patreon page by clicking here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.
Gila lah. Jadinya memang gini lah ya. Oke, Tartori Love Animation.
Udah habis.
Aduh,
And casinos and cell phones, for farms and ships and marketplaces,
wah.
tribes dancing and hunting, before dinosaurs, sea creatures, and even before the earth. Before all of that, before everything, was love. Love isn't something that you or I create.
Baik-baik.
It's something that feeds us, that surrounds us, that keeps us
Ada air apa
moving
belum Pak Ere?
And since love came first, then everything was built by that love and for the sake of enjoying that love.
Mana seraimu?
To the flames it
Banyak.
used to form. It was
Oh, bumi kita ya, ini negara Indonesia.
creatures were a different breed of creature from the outset because we could adapt
Ya, tempat tinggal kita ya bumi.
Ada 3.
Makhluk manusia.
Kecil ya, kemarin.
but something poisoned the hearts of humans.
Nanti lah kalau kalian ambil lagi.
And we gradually forgot how to love as we were meant to.
Yang sisa mama kemarin.
Oh.
From that moment on, we started on a path separate from the love that we were designed to embody. Since that time, love has been looking for a place to call home and
Ini
open
suburkan
its
ini ya tangannya.
The hearts of humans closed their doors and instead
Pasir deh, Kak,
things
pasir.
that brought destruction rather than life. Mighty empires were built by taking selfishly instead of by giving. bleeding countless souls at the mercy of man-made rules rather than the universal principles of love. Kingdoms were established by mighty men
Oh.
fell apart just as quickly because they were built without the love which is fundamental
Udah manggil
to
bunda.
human existence. Yet, throughout the ages, those who were brave enough to stand up in the name of love, care for their fellow humans, were actually pushing forward the evolution of love. Brave men and women helped to advance our collective ability as humanity to love and to return to our natural state of freedom. On one hand, humans have advanced in leaps and bounds in the past century, far
Oh,
beyond
kotanya lebih
the biggest
tinggi kali ya. Emang kalau di kota-kota di Eropa ya, Asia ya banyak lagi ya. Nah, Indonesia nih.
Culture, country to call home. Love knows that it is closer than ever to finding its home and ending its quest once and for all. It is waiting for champions to emerge in its name who are willing to live
Warahmatullahi.
in oneness with love. Love is waiting for champions, for warriors who are willing to do whatever it takes to give love the permanent home it has been seeking after. Love knows that the time is now. Love will become the dominant force in this world, enveloping hatred and selfishness, and it is becoming a time of great division because people are choosing sides. So which side will you be on? Will you seek after personal gain, or will your eyes be on the higher purpose? Are you going to stand up for love and give with a humble heart? Will your heart be a home for love in this time? Will you let your love genius shine through? The answer is entirely up to you.
Gila lah animasinya. The story of animation person animation 10-year anniversary.
Years ago today, I released the animation that would lead to my eventual career as a YouTube animator. To commemorate this occasion, I have decided to share its story.
Bentar dulu.
In 2005, I entered my junior year of high school and for the
Oh,
first time I was
di
exposed
high school.
to an online distance education program. Until that point, the 5 people in my
Gila,
family
abang
shared
nih.
one computer, giving me limited access. But since I was enrolled in this online school, the school provided me with a laptop, my first laptop ever. This gave me the freedom to experiment with animation as much as I wanted. Back when I was 11, I had a phase
Oh,
where I
2001
experimented
ya.
with pixel animations. But when I found out about a versatile animation program called Macromedia Flash, I had to get back into it. I discovered a website where I could submit my animations to called Newgrounds. The amazing thing about this website is that all
Kali.
animations go directly to the front page and
Urusan hurufnya berubah jadi warna kuning.
deserves to stay on the
Ada hijau, ungu, merah.
Flash animation
Ada
that I
putih
made
juga
was
ya,
called
Nay.
Pink Army, and involved in
Jadi untuk pelangi bahaya nih.
pasting.
Minggu 70.
I posted it on Newgrounds and it did alright. I didn't get a
Oh.
bad score, which I was happy about. So I claimed my victory and moved on. One day I got inspiration to make a short animation about a stick figure that fights with its creator in the animation program itself. How did I get this idea? I can actually attribute many sources of inspiration to this idea. Being a longtime fan of Looney Tunes, the animated short Duck Amuck really appealed to me, as well as the story of Harold and the Purple Crayon. I had also seen some Flash animations and games online that gave me the final spark to come up with the idea. It took me about 3 months to finish, and on Saturday, June 3rd, 2006, I uploaded it to Newgrounds.com, excited to see how it would do. The next morning, I discovered that I had gotten second place for the whole day. I was so excited. I thought that was the end of it, but it was only
Bentar
I
dulu.
started getting all kinds of messages on AOL Instant Messenger from website owners.
Pusing jadinya.
Information on the website. I also got emails, lots of emails. One guy offered to pay me $70
Oh, ada yang
to
chat.
post the animation on their site as long as I sign a contract to give them exclusive rights to the animation. The idea of getting paid actual money for
Oh, lewat
animation
11.
that I made just for fun got my attention, especially since I had never had a job up to that point, and also grew up in a family that was financially struggling. I printed out the contract, signed and scanned it, and as I was about to reply to the email, I saw another one right underneath it that said, "Don't sign anything regarding your Flash." It was from Steve, the owner of Albino Black Sheep, a very popular Flash animation website at the time. I was about to sell the future of my animation career for $75, but I read his email and ended up not doing it. If I had done it, I wouldn't have been allowed to post animated animation anywhere else or make any money from it besides the $75 that he paid me. So he saved me in the nick of time. Later, another very popular website called eBombs World posted my animation on their weekly Best of the Web post. eBombs World was infamous for taking images and videos from the internet without permission and stamping "Posted on eBombs World" in the corner of each image or video at the cost of content creators. Many people, including Steve, saw my animation as the perfect way to fight back against eBombs World, using my animation as evidence in a legal campaign against them. eBombs World found out about this and started messaging me. At the time, my main concern was getting paid for my work and keeping rights to my animation. So when eBombs World offered me $250 to pay me for my animation, I took it. Then they pressured me into giving them a short testimonial to restore their tainted image. That set the whole thing on fire, and Steve felt very betrayed by me. Looking at the instant messenger conversations with eBombs from back then makes me cringe. I was basically a puppy, and they were leading me with puppy treats. They entered me into their monthly contest and told me that I'd won and would receive $1,000. But if I still wanted them to pull my animation off the website, I wouldn't receive any of it. They even offered to make me my own website. But after talking to Steve, I decided to give them back the $250 and officially asked them to
Marah
remove the
dia.
animation and the testimonial. You can find the details of this on the Wikipedia page of eBombs World. It's
Dia
currently
marah
still
atau
exists.
aduh apa?
A
Coba
guy named FaZe Blue created
komentar di
a
bawah teman-teman. Apa nih?
website called You're the Man Now Dog, and it's very entertaining to watch. It's funny that he assumed that I looked like Mr. Rogers. You can find links to those in the description. The story doesn't end there, although most of the drama is over. All of this happened before YouTube became a mainstream video platform. Animator vs. Animation was exploding all over the internet, and there was no main website where it existed. I was getting a ton of attention, but not getting paid for any of it. Then AdamFilms.com offered to fund the making of a sequel, and that is how Animator vs. Animation 2 came about, and it was released November 4th of that same year. Not thinking about the consequences, I included my actual AOL screen name in the animation and set myself up to never be able to use AIM again, without withstanding the overwhelming spam of instant messages every single time. Shortly after, a 14-year-old
Sabar dulu.
Charles Ye offered to make a
Mau pusing nih.
and looking at his impressive work,
Guys,
I agreed to
goyang-goyang ya
You
gara-gara.
can still play this game on my website.
Ya kakakku alah.
2007, I realized that YouTube
Oh dia mulai dari 2007 di bang upload.
animations, hundreds of copies of them already
Gambarnya dari mana tuh?
already had millions of views. It was nearly impossible for me to compete.
Oke lah teman-teman, mungkin videonya agak panjang ya. Mungkin kita lanjut ke part 9 aja. Karena kan videonya kan dibagi 3 nih. Cuman ya nggak cukup. Oke lah teman-teman, mungkin videonya sampai di sini dulu ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Muhammad Marvel dan Cak. Mungkin gua beli memori nanti kalau sudah bisa video panjang ya. 20 menit. Oke, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Salam Muhammad Marvel dan Cak. Saya mau pamit dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dari Muhammad Marvel dan Cak. Next video.